Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TikTok, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you upload a video to TikTok on mobile? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, this is assuming you've already filmed the video on your phone and you're simply uploading it rather than filming it inside of TikTok. But why would you want to upload a video on TikTok on your mobile? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're just getting started as an influencer and you want to go ahead and start uploading videos to TikTok, but you just have your phone available. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the TikTok app. It's this black and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my TikTok app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my TikTok. This is my For You page. Now, in order to upload a video to TikTok on your mobile, you need to click on this little plus icon down here on the bottom center. Once you do that, it's going to ask for permission to your camera and your microphone. So you want to go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, your phone is going to prompt you to give access to your camera to TikTok. So I'm going to click on Open Settings. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask for the permission. So you want to go ahead and uncheck camera, and that way it's green. Now we can go ahead and flip back over to the TikTok account. Okay, once you've done that, you've given access to the camera, as you can see here. Now you can go ahead and film with TikTok directly. But today we are uploading a video on our mobile device. So you want to go ahead and click on this upload button down here on the bottom right. Looks like a little mountain. Next, you can choose which videos you want to give access to TikTok. I don't really like to share all the videos on my phone with TikTok, so I usually select one by one. So what I'm going to do is click on select more photos. Okay, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and scroll through and then choose the video that you would like to upload onto TikTok using your mobile. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a video. Okay, so I went ahead and chose this video of a hot pot. If you gave access to TikTok to all of your videos, they're going to show up right here. So once you have that video uploaded, go ahead and choose the video. Okay, so now it's going to show you what the video looks like. Here in this section, you can go ahead and edit the video as you see fit. Make sure that you edit it as you wish before you post the video. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to click on the gear icon and I'm going to change who can see the video because this is just for this video. All right, so once you're done editing, go ahead and click on this red next button. Okay, so when you are uploading a video on TikTok using your mobile, you're going to be able to add hashtags. You can @ people, and you can also connect videos here. You can tag people, you can tag a location. So that really depends on your TikTok strategy. If all that looks good to you and you'd still like to go ahead and upload a video to TikTok using your mobile, click on this red post button down here on the bottom right. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up here confirming that your video has been uploaded onto TikTok using your mobile device. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video to TikTok on mobile, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.